Yes, here is DJI Mini 2 combo which I purchased from Amazon.com, and here is that how it look like, and everything which is included in package is here. All these devices, all these cables, different type, blade for propellers, and a cover for blade covers on the drone, and 3 batteries, and battery chargers. Yeah, and we will see. We have had very good feedback, like 84%, 5 stars, and everything. Okay, let's go and check this video. Hi, this video going to be about unpack photo some drone from a mini2 DJI, and I received this box from Amazon. They drove under the door and left it far away actually from the and I'm going to open now and see what is inside. So now we're working for unpacking DJI Mini 2 from Amazon. You'll see where's the difference. Okay, this is a nice box, and let me open. Uh-oh. We have it. Let's throw away. And also I purchased a scan disk memory card for 128 gigabyte. Well, probably I should buy bigger, but what we have, it's good. Okay, let's see what is inside. Have to be 3 battery, drone, adapter, 3 pair of blade, and this is charger. Everything was in this package, which came from Amazon on second day, and I'm lucky because it was discount, and it's cost me like $539 plus tax obviously, but this is an amazing price, never seen before for this type of device. Great device. Have to understand how to unpack it. Oops. First we have, it's coming with case, and what is nice, everything inside this case. With zipper, with everything, with the DJI, with a zipper here. Put something, and let's open the case. Case is opening, and it's water resistance, which means it's can resist water you don't afraid a rain or something. Well, we have another zipper here. Well, where is a screwdriver, handles for an adapter joystick, and a 1, 2, 3 pair of blades. Here is the drone. This is the adapter. This is something else. Let's check what is here. We have a charger for 3 battery, and 1, 2 battery is here. Let's open it. We have 2 battery here, and probably third one inside the drone. This is connector cables for USB and S1 type, and it's different S type and whatever type is look like a, I forgot the name, but similar in BlackBerry. Well, what I like about it is probably a holder, blade holder, which is here, and this look like I have to click it and take a blade holder, which is prevent from the damage. I unpack the same set, but from Costco, and this blade holder they call propeller holder, to protect the propeller with when it's storing. It's very nice one because it's technically safe propeller from damage. Let me wear it back. Probably not hard. Yes, it's going in this way. Okay. Okay, let's go next. Next, we have to open it. And also we have this glass protect the camera. Here is camera, and it's another blade, which is going to this way. This is going this way. Okay, and we have a leg here. This is the top, this is bottom. Okay, and what else? What else? Here we have a battery, and here is CD card. Here is S1 port. Is battery number 3 is here. It needs to be removed. Okay, in this way probably. Yep. We have battery. How do they say? It's 31 minutes. Flight 31 minutes. Okay, and plus what we have? We have propeller holders. We have 3 batteries here for charging. We have a cable for that. We have a screwdriver to change the blade probably. If we need, yep, it looks like it's here. if it's blade damage. We have holders for camera holders. It's open this way. The camera is moving up and down. Yeah, definitely this way. Oops. And click. You take all this stuff from here. Sticky. To understand how let's put it back and do not damage this, like this way, and click. Yep, and secure. We have here. Camera is secure. Battery, card, and that's it. Okay, let's and charge. What is in box else? I do not see any user manual. Anyone? Joystick. Let's open adapter. Adapter also is charging for S1 port. Here I have handles, which is very easy to screw there. I have iPhone holders, which I have iPhone. Where is iPhone? My iPhone is here. Can put easy there, like this way, and secure it and use it. But at first I need to connect. I have to have cable here. Yeah, cable is there. Let me take my phone over there. You see we have a cable here. Cable here with standard was with iPhone connection. Yep, and yeah, and I don't see any and user manual. User manual is here. We will look what is inside. Yeah, inside we have a standard one. Quick start, two-way charging hub, and something. Everything is written in few languages. English, German, probably Spanish or French, and another language. Oh, even we have in Russian language something written on. Why I need Russian language here in Canada, I have no idea. But anyway, that's it. Nice box for everything, secured, water resistance, don't afraid. And that's it. Next movie going to be about first flight of this beautiful drone.